Hi, Chris Tidy from Centurion Safety Products. Really great to have you with me today. I'm going to do an unboxing. It's a world's first for us as a company to do an unboxing, but also a world's first for the product. This particular product is our Nexus Extreme Mips, and we say it's the first in the world because it's the first product that has a Mips system on a cradle system, so that's the difference really. You see lots of Mips iterations and helmets out there, lots through sports industry and things like that, but none that have this sort of cradle system actually in it. Just before we start, just to let you know that if you want to subscribe, then that would be really good, because that means that you can watch the videos whenever you want to. Hit the notification, obviously turn the bell icon on. That will let you know when we upload a video, and also as well there'll be a link put down below so you can actually see then the products in the flesh. It'll link to our website. Okay, so without further ado, let's go through the unboxing. Be really good. So there you can see it on the front. Let's just twist this round and let's open it up. Exciting times actually, so really good. Let's just pull that tab out of there like that, open it up, and I'm just going to twist that round the other way just to make sure that the camera keeps on to me. Let's get that out of there. Oh, it's awesome. Take it out of the plastic there, put that down onto there. Okay, let's pop that down there, so that's out of the way. So this is our Nexus helmet, so it's our Nexus shape of shell. We're very proud of this type of system, or this type of shell, mainly because we thought of different things when we actually first invented this. So first you can see that we have a micro peak actually there. That's to give you better upward visibility, but also as well, if you slip, trip and fall from the same level or even from one level above, that if you fall down, you've not got a peak that you're actually hitting on the ground, which again could actually damage your neck. So there's a lot of thought, that's gone into the actual shape as well as the peak itself. So let's just turn you around so you can physically see the product here, and you can see just on the corner you've got the little Mips logo. That's how you'll be able to identify this from our other helmet systems, and just crank it round there really and back again. What I want to do now is show you the inside, so I'll just move the chin strap actually away, and you can see physically inside there you can see the Mips system there. So the Mips system there is designed for rotational injury. Now rotational injury can happen if something is falling onto your head, or also if you're falling over or you're falling from one level above. So say if you were 6 rungs up on the ladder or something like that. So what tends to happen is that when you hit your head, when you fall over or generally falling from one level above, you tend to hit your head at what they call an oblique angle, so it's not sort of straight and perpendicular. And what happens then is it introduces rotation actually into the brain, and the Mips system is designed to redirect forces away from the brain if you're falling over to other parts of the body, and if something is falling on your head, to actually keep the velocity of the element that's falling onto you into that element, rather than actually transferring it to your brain. It's quite simple when you say it like that. So this is it. Yeah, as I said, world's first for this cradle type of system. Just to give you an idea, can you see that just sort of movement there? That's sort of 10 to 15 millimeters of movement that Mips system allows, and really that's the bit that actually makes all of the difference in terms of when you fall over or fall from one level, or you have something falling on your head. So that's it. I've been Chris Tidy. Really great to have you here today and speak to you, and I'm just going to pop that on the desk there. Thank you very much for watching, and take care.